So me, I'm standing here talking to you, I know what you're going through. I'm not one of them guys that just comes, judgmental, doesn't really know what you're going through. I know exactly what you're going through. Do you see where I'm coming from? So me, I'm coming from a place now where I've seen so many brothers like yourself that are just dropped dead. I've seen so many kids that I've been working with, I've been trying to make so much effort with. They want to change. They're good youths. They really are good youths. But what happens? Wrong place, wrong time. Someone catches him slipping and he's dead, he's not around no more. The family's crying, I'm having to go console the mum, I'm having to go console the dad. And then funeral prayer, we have to bury the body. And you know what's sad? And then we have to bury the body and do the funeral prayer. And as you know, and if you're Muslim, you should know that the funeral prayer is the last point at which you have a chance to be forgiven before you put in your body in your grave. Because the people, when they come pray, they ask Allah to forgive you. And the Prophet ﷺ said, if a certain amount of righteous men come and pray your funeral prayer, you'll be forgiven for your sins, inshallah. But look at the kind of friends that you don't have. Are they the kind of people that you want to be praying your funeral prayer? I'm saying, I had to bury a brother one time. Forget his friends, his family members are coming and saying, bro, how do I even do wudu? How do I wash myself to pray? And you know the prayer is not accepted if you don't come clean to the prayer. If he don't know how to wash himself, he don't even know how to pray. And that's the kind of people that are going to pray your janazah prayer, bro. So you have to be conscious of these things. That's why the scholars, like Ibn Qayyim used to say, look at who your closest friends are. Look at who your closest boys are. Because they are the ones who are going to make the front line of your funeral prayer, my brother. But if you get killed in the streets, or you go old and you get cancer and you die, doesn't matter, your friends, they're the ones who are your last rite of passage before you leave this world. For you to be asked forgiveness before you're buried in your grave, they're going to be your closest friends. Do you see where I'm coming from? And if these people, all they know is drugs, and all they know is drink, and all they know is girls, and all they know is guns, and all they know is drilling, that's all they know. What are they going to do for you when it's time for you to be buried? Nothing. You're there, the body's there. The body's there, it's being buried. It's being buried, it knows what's going on. No one can do nothing for you now. It's just between you and your Lord. So that's why I come to you, my brothers, and I try to maybe just reach out to you to make you just wake up and understand there's a life, there's a world that's bigger than this estate that you're in. And then there's an afterlife that's greater than the whole world that you're in. There's a time when you're going to come and you're going to face your Lord, my brothers. You have to ask yourself, which way am I going to face him? You have to come correct in this life if you're going to be treated in a good way in the next. Does that make sense?